to Toy Crazy World, and today we're going to be opening up the Play-Doh Ultimate Rainbow Pack. You see it? That means there is 33 awesome colors, fun to play with but not to eat, and it's for ages 2 and up. And let's see, it shows all the awesome stuff that you can make. You can make the Play-Doh kite, you can make Play-Doh balloons, and you can make a Play-Doh turtle. And this looks like it's a rainbow hot air balloon. That's what it is. Alright guys, Jackie, everybody. Jackie, say hi.
Hi.
And this is JURNE, everybody. JURNE, say hi. And this is JACEY, everybody. JACEY, say hi. Alright. Okay guys, let's open it up. Alright, we got it open, and look at all these colors. I see every color of the rainbow and some colors that aren't even in the rainbow. Alright, now we're going to let each one of them pick, since it's 32 colors or 33 colors, we're going to let each one of them pick 11 colors. Alright, Jackie, you go first. Show one color. Just go one at a time. Alright, you got that color. JURNE, pick one. Alright, pick one. What color was that, JACEY? Okay. Go ahead, Jackie. Okay, JURNE. Alright, JACEY. Okay, how many you got a piece? 2. Alright, keep going. Guys, let's start making stuff. Alright guys, we got it all open. It took us a while, but here we go. Here's Jackie's colors.
Green, blue, dark blue, blue, pink, purple, green, tan, I guess, orange, yellow, yellow, and purple. Yeah.
Alright, JURNE, count how many colors you have, JURNE.
I have purple, yellow, green, orange, white, pink, red, brown, blue, and purple. So
how many colors is that, JURNE? Count them.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
11. Everybody has 11. Jackie, count yours. Did you count yours? Count them.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Alright.
Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, pink, brown, dark brown, brown.
Alright, and how many do you have?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
Alright guys, so we have all of these wonderful colors, and it's time to create. Leave a comment in the comment section if you know what Jackie just made.
You know mine.
Jackie made it. And Jackie is on a roll. Jackie made, what is this, guys? Tell us in the comment section. And this is what JURNE made, guys. Tell us in the comment section.
Jackie's on a roll.
Here we go. Jackie!
Oh
no! This is what Jackie made. JACEY, I'm sorry, JACEY made it. Grapes.
Oh man.
Can you guys tell what this is?
Can I see some white?